Hey everyone, my name is Joe and you're watching Too Quick Boxing, your number one stop for everything boxing, reviews, highlight videos and tutorials. Today I'd like to welcome you guys to another product review and I'm going to be reviewing this, the Strap and Seal Lace to Velcro Converter. So obviously the text is back to front as I always use as a disclaimer because I'm using the selfie mode on my camera. So so this is the Strap and Seal Velcro Converter. This is basically the United Kingdom's version of Lace and Loop. Lace and Loop is kind of the original well-known boxing product that converts your lace-up gloves to Velcro. So we got Strap and Seal, which is of course inspired by Lace and Loop because even the name is similar, Strap and Seal. So all this really is a Velcro strap here, one side, as you can see. Then on this one, you've got a little bit of stretchy elastic, and then you have the other end of the Velcro for the hook and loop. So obviously, that just goes together like that. Okay. So I'll show you guys how it works, and then we'll get into the actual review. So I'm going to be using my Top Boxer Aliens here. I've got quite a bit of use out of these gloves. I did review these gloves about a month ago. If you guys haven't checked out that review, go check them out. As you can see, I've got quite a bit of use out of them. They're a little bit of a different shape to what they were when I first got them, but yeah, these are getting worn in a bit now, as you can see. Anyway, it's not about the glove. I'll probably do a durability update on these soon anyway. So basically, what you want to do with your Strap and Seal converters, now usually you would just put both of your laces through this hole here. Hang on, when I get it. Yeah, there we go. And then you'd pull that through to where you want and tie a knot. Now I already have a knot tied in this lace, so I can just probably pull this straight through if you guys give me a second. There we go. So I already actually have a knot in my lace there, as you can see, that I can just pull through. Yeah, so basically you want to put your laces through so the laces are actually coming out on the soft Velcro side. And I'll show you the reason for this. It has to be on that side, or it doesn't have to, but you know, that's the way I do it. So you want to put it through so your laces are coming through and over the top of the Velcro. Now you want to put your glove on again with this converter on the end. Pull your laces tight on your glove. And then I usually like to do it this way. So I like to go once, twice, 3 times across the wrist like that. So now you've got that done, as you can see, you've got your laces there. So you want to keep them nice and tucked so then you don't have any Velcro sticking out like that. Keep them like that. There we go. Bring your lace round, and if you guys will bear with me, I actually like to stick the lace to the rough part of the Velcro because then it keeps it nice and tight. Wrap it over, and there you go. Your lace up glove is now a Velcro. So, on to the quality. These feel better than Velcro gloves, in my opinion. You can get them much tighter. You still get that the benefit of the wrist support being much greater than a Velcro glove usually is, because you can, you know, really torque on those laces around your wrist. Now, one thing I do have an issue with these in terms of quality. Again, if I just take these off, and I'll give you guys a closer up. Take off my glove. So these so far have been good quality. This is starting to lose its kind of yellow colour. You can see it better on the back. So after about maybe a month and a half of use, you can see the actual elastic starting to kind of fray a tiny bit, but that's mainly just the actual soft Velcro coming off here. Now this happened pretty quickly. In the first week that I actually had the Strap and Seal converters, this kind of pull tab here started ripping straight away. So I will say, if you are going to get Strap and Seal, when you're pulling it tight, don't pull it by this because you will rip that. I usually now just pull it by the actual strap instead because, I mean, to be fair, I could probably just pull that off anyway. In fact, I'm going to do that now. Okay, that's actually stronger than I realised. There we go. So I would say don't pull it by that little tab because that will break really quickly. You can still use this perfectly fine without that tab, but that tab isn't very strong at all for when you're pulling it. Apart from that, still going pretty strong. The Velcro's still good. I mean, the good thing about these is they're pretty affordable. I think they're about £20 a pair. That's British pounds, and I think that would be about $35 US or something like that. Leather's still good, but that's pretty much it. I mean, you know, there's not really too much to talk about apart from that. So that is the Strap and Seal lace to Velcro converter. I do actually have another one coming soon that I'm going to be, I do have another lace converter that I do have coming soon, and I'm going to be putting up against these in a comparison, and that would be the Phenom LC10 by Phenom Boxing. Phenom is becoming quite a well-known brand, but with their XRT 220S bag gloves, etc. And a lot of pros have started using Phenom, Amir Khan being one of them towards the end of his career. But yeah, I've got Phenom's lace converters coming. We'll compare the two, and I'll give you guys my opinion on which one's better. So thank you all very much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. If you haven't checked out my review of the Top Boxer Aliens, and I do have some Cleto Race gloves coming that I'm going to be reviewing as well. And I'll see you guys in the next one. So for now, take care. 2 Quick Boxing, signing out. Thanks for watching.